Hi guys, my name is Melinda and I am going today show you a lovely one bedroom, one bath here at the Huntington Apartments located in the beautiful Huntington Beach. As you walk into the home, you're going to be able to see this beautiful dining area which leads out to the balcony area. Very bright, very airy. Love the vaulted ceilings. The ceiling fan is a plus. The beautiful kitchen area does allow you for ample space to do some amazing cooking. And as you can see, it does have an amazing storage capacity. So many drawers, cabinets. Let me just go over here and show you that there's just so much space. So much space. Beautiful microwave, as you can see. Does come with all GE appliances. Very nice, tidy, kept. Provides you with a dishwasher, garbage disposal, double sinks. Love this new feature, which is awesome. And then leading back out here, my favorite part about this apartment is that it has a dual balcony. What is nice about that is it's gonna allow for a great cross breeze in those late summer evenings when you just want to come home, relax. It's going to just be amazing. It's going to prevent you from having to use your AC at all times. So let me take you onto the ensuite area, which is massive. So as you can see, a beautiful hard surface program leading on to the amazing walk-in closet. Who doesn't like a walk-in closet? Gives you 3 storage rails as well as a place to put your shoes, maybe some purses, hats. But the best part is it's a walk-in closet. Who doesn't like that? The vanity area, which for me is amazing. I can't even stress how much I love it for the fact that it does have ample storage on top of additional storage underneath the sink. And then we're gonna go over here and we're gonna show you the beautiful bathroom that leads to the bathtub. Once we come over here and we exit the ensuite, my favorite part about this bedroom is the size. Here's the thing. This is a true one bedroom for the fact that there's no closet in here. You can actually utilize all 4 walls. How often can you say that? So basically, a space that you think it's a 10 by 14, it is true 10 by 14 without the closet taking up space. You have a huge window letting in lots of ray of sunshine. Carpeted area is throughout. So basically, the home will be carpeted in the living room as well as the bedroom. The rest of the home will have the hard surface program. Coming on back, this is awesome. So let's say someone loves to stay up late, but sometimes you want to go to bed early. You can just close this door and have peace and quiet. And if you want to go visit somebody in the living room that's watching TV, there you go. Me, I love the fact that not only do you have the vaulted ceilings in the dining area, but also in the living room. So it just makes it feel that much bigger. I hope you liked this tour of the lovely one bedroom, one bath located in Huntington Beach at the Huntington Apartments.